How is forensic evidence used in stalking investigations? Imagine trying to catch someone who's been secretly watching or harassing you without leaving obvious signs. That's where forensic evidence plays a big role. It helps investigators find proof of stalking behavior using scientific and technical data. This evidence is key in family law cases involving domestic violence and stalking orders, where protecting victims and children is the main goal. One common type of forensic evidence is electronic data. This includes cell phone records, social media activity, emails, text messages, and GPS tracking. These pieces of evidence can show if the stalker has been monitoring the victim's location or activities beyond what was shared publicly. For example, if GPS data shows the stalker's phone was near the victim's home or workplace repeatedly, it suggests a pattern of unwanted surveillance. Text messages or emails with threatening language or constant contact also support claims of harassment. Specialized forensic evidence might involve expert evaluations. Forensic psychologists can assess the mental state of the accused or how stalking impacts the victim's emotional health. These reports can be very useful in family court when deciding on custody or visitation rights. If a parent has a history of stalking or harassment, it may indicate a risk to the child's safety. In domestic violence cases, forensic evidence includes documentation of previous incidents, police reports, protection orders, and any history of abusive conduct. This helps establish a pattern of behavior, which is often necessary to meet legal requirements for stalking charges or to get protective orders. Courts look at this evidence to understand the severity of the situation. When presenting evidence in family court, investigators might show how technology was used to threaten or intimidate the victim. They may also demonstrate repeated incidents, like the offender showing up where the victim is or sending threatening messages. Surveillance footage or digital footprints can help prove these acts. This evidence helps courts see the full picture of the stalking behavior. It supports legal actions like restraining orders and can influence custody decisions. If a parent is found to be stalking or harassing, courts might restrict their visitation rights or order supervised visits to keep the child safe. Overall, forensic evidence in stalking investigations provides factual proof of harmful behavior. It helps secure protective legal measures and ensures family courts can make decisions that prioritize safety. This data is vital for establishing the pattern of harassment and supporting the legal steps needed to protect victims and their families.